Today is the day many Android users have been waiting for. Google's Nearby Share is out. Think of it like AirDrop on the iPhone, but for Android phones. And I'm going to show you how to set up Nearby Share and use it. For years, iPhone owners have used AirDrop to quickly and easily share files, photos, videos, and web links to other nearby iPhones. It's fast and it's a direct method, and it removes all the fussiness of texting a photo or emailing a link. Now Android phones are getting Google's version of AirDrop, and it's called Nearby Share. Google plans to turn on Nearby Share for file transfers between Android and Chrome OS, but for right now, it's just limited to sharing between Android phones and Android tablets. So here's everything you need to know. Phones that work with Nearby Share. As is typically the case with Android features, Google is slowly rolling out Nearby Share, so it might take some time before it shows up on your phone. Google is adding Nearby Share to its own Pixel phones and Samsung phones first, and the feature will eventually come out to all phones running Android 6.0 and newer. How to set up Nearby Share. There isn't an update you need to install. Instead, Nearby Share will simply appear on your phone once it's added. To enable it, open up the Settings app, select Google, go to Device Connections, and tap on Nearby Share. If Nearby Share isn't listed as an option, sorry to say you don't have the feature yet. The first time you open the Nearby Share page, you'll be asked to turn it on. Simply tap Turn On. Then select one of three privacy options. All contacts, meaning any of your contacts with Nearby Share turned on, will see your phone as available when your phone is on and unlocked. Some contacts. This option only allows contacts you've selected to see your phone as available. And finally, hidden. Your phone won't show up as an available device, but if your phone detects someone around you using Nearby Share, you'll see a notification asking if you want to open Nearby Share up to make your device visible. Send or receive with Nearby Share. Now that you have Nearby Share set up and turned on, you can use it to send documents, photos, videos, or web links to anyone with Nearby Share who's nearby. If you're sending a file, ask your friend to unlock their phone and leave the display turned on. Now, with both phones actively in use, here's what you'll need to do to send something using Nearby Share. So let's send a link from Chrome. I just open up the Share menu, find Nearby Share in the list of apps, and tap it. Next, a small window will show up at the bottom of your screen, letting you know it's looking for a contact to share with. Once it finds your friend's device, tap on their profile icon. Your friend's device, aka the receiving device, will display a prompt. Have them tap Accept, and the link will be transferred from your phone to theirs. Troubleshooting Nearby Share. If you run into issues with a transfer failing to complete, Google recommends three things. You can turn on and off your Bluetooth, you can try moving the devices within a foot of each other, or you can toggle airplane mode on and off. So that's all I have for Google Nearby Share, but I want to hear from you. Have you used Google Nearby Share? How's it working? Or if you have, do you have questions about it? If so, throw them in the comments. Last, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you don't, keep your damn mouth shut.